As a keto coach and psychologist, I'm someone who's seen firsthand how powerful your mindset can be when it comes to staying consistent with keto. Today, we're diving into a topic that derails more progress than any carb ever could: all or nothing thinking. You know, that voice that whispers, "I blew it. I might as well start over Monday," or "I had one slice of pizza, so I've ruined everything." If that sounds familiar, this message is for you, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to share 3 powerful mindset shifts that will help you break free from this trap, bounce back faster from setbacks, and turn keto into a sustainable lifestyle rather than a stop and start diet. Point number 1, progress isn't perfect, it's persistent. The first mindset shift is realizing that progress doesn't require perfection. All or nothing thinking thrives on the illusion that if you can't do it exactly right, you've failed. But real progress isn't about flawless days. It's about consistent effort over time. You can make one imperfect choice and still be miles ahead of where you were before. When you experience a slip, and you will, instead of labeling it as a failure, treat it as feedback. Maybe you skipped a meal and ended up craving sugar later, or maybe stress led you to reach for comfort food. Those moments aren't proof you can't succeed. They're clues. They show you what to plan for next time. Growth happens when you learn from your challenges, not when you avoid them. Remember, slow progress is still progress, and the people who win long term are the ones who just keep showing up. Point number 2, one setback doesn't define you. Here's a truth that can change your whole relationship with keto. One off-plan meal does not undo your progress. Your body doesn't reset to square one because of a single choice. Think of your journey like a long road trip. If you take a wrong turn, you don't abandon your car, you simply adjust and keep driving. The same applies here. One detour doesn't mean you failed. It just means you need to course correct. Instead of saying, "I'll start again Monday," try saying, "I'll start again at my next meal." That one change in thinking can save you days or even weeks of lost momentum. Keto is not an all or nothing game. It's about learning how to respond to life's ups and downs with flexibility, patience, and confidence. Point number 3, redefine success as consistency, not perfection. Finally, success on keto comes from redefining what it means to win. Too many people measure success by how perfectly they stick to the plan, but that approach sets you up for disappointment. The people who succeed long-term aren't perfect. They're consistent. They focus on what they can control, and they celebrate every small victory along the way. Maybe you chose water instead of soda, or you cooked at home instead of ordering takeout. Those wins matter. Every time you make a better choice, you're building trust with yourself. You're proving that you're capable of staying committed even when things aren't perfect. And that's the real goal, to make keto a lifestyle you can sustain, not a short-term diet you're constantly restarting. So remember, progress over perfection. Every step counts, even the ones that feel small or messy. You're not starting over every time you slip. You're simply continuing the journey with more experience, more insight, and more strength than before. If this message spoke to you, hit that like button, subscribe for more science-based keto mindset videos, and share this with someone who needs to hear that one setback does not mean failure. Stay confident, stay consistent, and as always, keep moving forward. See you in the next video.